Hi there, students. A mound. Okay, a noun, a countable noun. To mound, particularly often to mound up. Okay, so a mound, it's like a pile of something, particularly a pile of earth. So there are several burial mounds in this landscape. Yeah, an ancient burial, an ancient dead body that they've covered with rocks and then they've covered it in earth. Normally a mound is rounded and it's slightly elevated. It's like a small hill. I think a hill is much bigger than a mound. Yeah, but a mound is not very high. A pile of something, some things piled up. So, for example, in baseball, the pitcher, the guy who throws the ball, he has a little mound that he stands on. It's slightly elevated, a mound. It's rounded and slightly elevated. Yeah. And then we can use this word mounds of, meaning lots of. So, yeah, I've got mounds of work to do. Yeah, lots of work to do, loads of work to do, mounds of work. Yeah, or all his papers were mounded in the corner. There was a mound of papers in the corner. Okay, yeah, he mounded food onto his plate. There was a mound of food. It's got this idea of, yeah, this hill shape, and it's a mound. It's a raised pile of earth or dirt or sand or something else. It's just a raised area. The builders delivered a mound of sand which they were going to use. It's like a heap or a pile. Yeah, there was a mound of mashed potato on the side of his plate, or he formed it into the shape of a mound. Yeah, I've got a mound of work to do. I've got loads of work to do. Okay, so it's like a little knoll or a hill or a hummock or a hump or a rise. Yeah, I guess they dug a mound to protect the castle, a raised little hill. Yeah, there were a mound of dirty dishes in the sink, a pile. Yeah. Okay, so a mound, a large but not enormous raised area. Yeah, or a small raised area, but it needs to have some size. Yeah, there were little mounds of rubbish that the people had pushed together. Yeah, but you've still got to pick it up, even if it's in mounds. Okay, so a mound. Yeah, a rounded pile of something. Yeah, they used bulldozers to pile up the earth. Yeah, so there were mounds of earth. Yeah, there were a mound of papers on his desk. Okay, and then to mound up, to get bigger. So the amount of undone work is mounding up, and we need to do something about it to deal with it. So yeah, this mound, but this is normally a physical feature. This is something that you can see. Okay, let's see, mound. I think, let's see, the picture's mound of 5, a mound of earth, 5 in formality. I've got mounds of earth to do. The work is mounding up, 3.5 to 4 in formality. So be more careful with the use of that. And then as to origin, well, a mound used to mean a hedge or a fence. Old English Mund, yeah, a protector, a guardian, from Proto-Germanic mundo, meaning hand, yeah, Proto-Indo-European meant somebody who says come here, but a mound, a pile. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a